Hey everyone, if you're encountering the missing file privileges error on Steam, stick around because in this video, I'll guide you through some quick fixes to resolve the issue. The first step is to open the Steam app. Once inside, click on Steam in the top left corner and select Settings. Next, go to the Storage tab, click the three dots, and choose Repair Library. This will take a moment to fix any corrupted or missing files. If that doesn't help, let's move on to the next step. Open your Start menu, search for Task Manager, and click the icon to open it. Inside Task Manager, use the search bar at the top and type igfx. Look for a process called igfxEM. If you find it, right-click and select End Task. If you don't see it, that's fine. Just move on to the next step. Now head back to Steam. In your library, locate the game causing the issue. Let's say it's Dota 2, right-click the game, select Properties, and under Installed Files, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for this process to complete, and once it's done, check if the issue is resolved. If you're still having trouble, go back to your Start menu and search for File Explorer. Open it, then go to C Drive greater than Program Files x86 greater than Steam Apps greater than Common. Find the folder for your troubled game, like Dota 2, right-click it, and choose Properties. In the Security tab, ensure that no users have any ticks in the Deny column. If you see any, click the Advanced tab to adjust the settings. Afterward, click OK to exit, and let's move on. Another solution to try is running Steam as an administrator. To do that, navigate back to the Steam folder, right-click on the Steam application, and select Properties. In the Compatibility tab, check the box next to Run this program and Administrator, then click OK. Try launching Steam again to see if it resolves the issue. If that doesn't work, go to Steam Settings, then the Downloads tab. Select Clear Download Cache, confirm it, and relaunch Steam. If you're still facing issues, try changing your download region. In the same Downloads tab, choose a region closer to your location. For example, I'm in the UK, so I set it to London. Another potential fix is to adjust your firewall settings. Open the Start menu, search for Windows Defender, and go to Windows Defender Firewall. Click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, and make sure both Steam and a game you're having issues with are listed. For both, check both private and public boxes. If you don't see your game or Steam listed, click Allow another app, browse for the Steam app, and add it. After that, make sure both private and public options are selected, then click OK.